Hello friends. This video shows that owning rental properties isn't that dramatic. It's managing money, it's protecting your investment through quality tenants and routine maintenance, and sometimes it's just small repairs. Our tenant let us know that the ceiling in one of the bedrooms was developing a stain from water. Simon went over, checked it out, went up on the roof to see if there's anything on the roof that could be causing it, and found that the plumbing stacks didn't have caps on them, the chimney stack didn't have a cap. There was cracks in the mortar and crown on the chimney, and the tuck pointing needed to be taken care of on the chimney. He got all that taken care of, went inside to check and see if there's anything inside that could be causing those stains, and did some caulk and grout work in the bathroom around the tub, and then went to the bedroom and repainted, got that all cleaned up and looking nice for the tenant. The tenant's happy, we're happy. These kind of things just happen. That's part of routine maintenance, and it's part of being a real estate investor. Thank you for watching. Hope you're working on some great deals and your current rental properties aren't causing you any headaches. Have a good day.